Hey everyone, I'm Janet. In today's video, we'll be sharing our upcoming vacation plans and projects before I change out the decor in the living room with my thrifted items from my last video. You'll get to see me ugly cry when I share our vacation plans. I get choked up talking about my dad and our upcoming vacation spot. I debated if I wanted to keep this in the video, but I decided to leave it in because I want to be real and this is the real moment in my life. I'm very tender-hearted and rarely, if ever, show or share my emotions with anyone, even Tom, but it happened and this is the real me. After I share our upcoming plans and projects, we'll decorate the living room with the thrifted decor from my last video. I hope if you haven't watched it that you will. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. I hope you'll leave a comment and let me know where you're from. I promise to reply. If you're not subscribed, I hope you will because it's free. I want to thank all my loyal YouTube friends like Molly, Tracy, Karen, and Steve who left such sweet comments and encouragement. I appreciate you so much. So let's get started. I can't believe summer is almost over. It seems like it just started. In less than 2 weeks, the teachers will be back at work for pre-service and then school starts. But I don't know if you noticed, I got my hair lightened and cut for our upcoming summer vacation. We'll be going to Gulf Shores, Alabama. We've been going there for several years. We started going there instead of Panama City Beach because my father, before he passed away, he wanted to go to the beach, and so we got a condo that's right on the beach with an elevator so he could go out and enjoy the beach. We'll be going back to Gulf Shores, Alabama for our vacation. We've been going there for a few years. We started going before my father passed away because he was sick and he had a hard time. He had a lung condition and had a hard time walking, so we got a condo on the beach with an elevator so he can enjoy that. I can't wait to show you some of the local shops and where we like to eat, and I'm really excited to show you Tallulah's. It's one of my favorite little stores to shop at when we're on vacation, and I'll be bringing you along for all that. Tom was able to finish one side of the fence, and I hope to be posting that video in a couple of weeks. And I also want to show you the planter boxes he's building for me, and I'll stain those in an upcoming video. Then in September or October, I hope to pressure wash the shed, and I want you to help me pick out paint colors. I'm thinking about going bold and doing a cranberry color or a charcoal gray or a clamshell gray, but I want to show you photographs of those and let you help me pick out the paint colors. Probably in next week's video, I'll be showing you what I'm afraid to show everybody is the desk, my old desk in Tom's radio room. I have it piled almost to the ceiling, and Tom wants me to move it out, and he told me I had to get that cleaned up. And so I need to get that cleared off and organized so we can get rid of the desk, and we'll probably be updating that room some more in future videos. And then this winter we'll be painting and hopefully doing the floor in his radio room. It's embarrassing, but that's real life, and I want to be honest and open with you because my house is not always spotless and clutter really stands out. The pile's gotten pretty high. It's pretty embarrassing, but it's real life, and I want to share that with you and how I declutter and organize it. It's time for me to stop talking and put out the thrifted decor finds. I also found this shell at the United States antique store, and I'll be putting it on the fireplace. here's how everything turned out. Added the coastal painting here and just moved the seahorse underneath it. I just think that's so pretty, and the vibrant blues and greens and grays. And I ended up moving the wooden vase behind the seahorses because it was too tall next to the coastal painting here that Brandon gave me. We replaced my grandfather's picture. And then I added my clamshell and the candlesticks on this side. But my favorite piece are the two little metal lovebirds under the fireplace. Isn't it just adorable? And I moved the coral over here, and I'm going to see if I can put lights around it so it lights up at night. And I just elevated the tic-tac-toe game on this stand so it wasn't laying flat, and it gave it some dimension. And the blues in the tic-tac-toe games brings out the blue in the artwork here. And the brown on this frame brings out the brown in the candlestick and my clam and seashells. And on this table, I moved my glass vase here with the flowers. And let me know, do you like it better with or without the flowers? I think I kind of like it better without the flowers. So let's just take that out. But that's how that turned out. And you notice I've got the light blues and grays in that pillow. And it brings out the gray in my lamps. And there's my little pelican that I got in Panama City Beach a few years ago. And I moved the glass jar over here to bring some color on this side and move my dream sign underneath the television. But I'd like your opinion. Should I paint the television cabinet white and the coffee table and the end table so everything's white and matches more? I know I've got to paint this table because it's cream and I want it to be white. And I'm thinking about getting a new lamp and doing something a little different with this table. But anyhow, let me know how you think it turned out, or if you would change anything around, remove anything, or add anything. But I like it, but the more I look at this, the more I want to paint the dark brown furniture white. And until the next time, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you the next time. Bye.